let's talk about the touchdown challenge. Each pair of students will receive 2 mini footballs and a large bucket. One partner will hold the bucket on their head while the other partner takes a few steps back and tries to throw the ball. They try to catch it into the bucket. Now, these balls, depending on how they bounce, they might bounce out if they hit too hard on the bottom while the student is holding it on their head. So tell them if it makes it in the bucket, even if it bounces out, they can still count it as a touchdown. Okay, so kindergarten and first grade students are going to each take, well, actually every student is going to take 10 throws. Kindergarten and first grade students are purely going to record the touchdowns they make and the misses that they have as they go. So if they, let's say they make their first 3, they could color in the first 3 footballs. And then let's say they miss one, and they make one. Okay, they continue on. Let's say they make a total of 6 and they miss 4. What they're going to do at the end of their turn, they're going to look at the different combinations of 10 that could possibly have happened. So here we made 6 and we missed 4. So the equation that we could use there to represent our model is 6 that I made plus 4 that were missed equals 10 throws. So essentially, as they take their turns, they're finding different combinations that equal 10. So the student would record their equation below, that 6 makes plus 4 misses equals the total of 10 throws. And then they would trade roles and it would be their partner's turn. Their partner would do the same thing on the recording sheet. Older students will determine how they want to model their makes, their touchdowns and their misses. But the difference with the older grades is that they know that each touchdown equals 6 points. So they not only will have to calculate or figure out how many they made, but then they'll have to determine their total number of points earned by that number of touchdowns. So let's say students make 6 and they missed 4. So then their equation would be, okay, I made 6. Each one is worth 6 points. So I can do 6 groups of 6 to find a total of 36 points. Now students may need to draw a model in order to determine that total. Or younger students, maybe second or third grade students, might have to add the number 6 times and kind of regroup, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus another 6 is 18, and find the total that way. So allow students to be flexible in the equation that they choose and how they choose to find that total score. But they'll continue to take turns and calculate that score and record it on their recording sheet.